Hola, ¿cómo están, estudiantes? Esta es la semana número 13. La semana número, muy bien, 13. Hoy vamos a estudiar, o en esta semana vamos a estudiar la diferencia entre el verbo ser y estar. That means we're going to continue studying the ser and estar situation, right? One of the things that we are going to study also is the present progressive. The present progressive is an action that you're doing here right now at the moment, right? One thing is to say, I study. One thing is to say, I'm studying. One thing is to say, I eat. One thing is to say, I am eating. So this is the first time that we're going to see a combination of verbs. You need the verb start, and every time, and plus you need the present progressive. So if you're talking about a verb that ends in AR, trabajar, you're going to change the AR to trabajando. Yo estoy trabajando. That's equivalent to say I am working. Okay? But remember, it's a star. Always going to be a star, no ser. Estar. And then when we're talking about verbs that end in ER and IR, we're going to say I endio. Yo estoy comiendo. You change the ER for I-E-N-D-O. Okay, so again, just practice. And the other thing that we're going to see new is the direct object pronoun. The direct object pronoun answers the question, what? Right? For example, I drink water. Why do you drink water? I drink it. I talk to my mom. I talk to whom? I talk to her. That is a way that we can substitute now nouns with pronouns. Okay, so we don't continue repeating. Oh, yesterday I went to Walmart and I bought some tomatoes. And then the tomatoes were, and then I can talk about, and they were really nice. And they, right? So this is how you're going to say, and I like them. So the them is the direct object. They is the pronoun, ellos. They are nice, right? I buy the tomatoes, I buy them. So I buy what? The tomatoes, I buy them. So make sure that this answers the question. I know you know all of this, to be honest with you, because you have to know it in order to speak in English. The big thing it is that we forgot. If somebody asks you, what is a direct object pronoun, what is an indirect, you don't know. I asked my friend, who are professional but know in Spanish, right? They are engineers, they are whatever, architect, and I say, can you tell me what is the past participle of this verb? They're like, Lucy, here you go again. We don't know, right? Because you lose that with time. So researchers say that when you learn a new language, a second language, that makes you even better in your first language, because you really start understanding how your language is the way it is, okay? So it's very cool, guys. I think it's excited. So nos vemos. Hasta la vista.